Don't get caught off guard. Energy audit worksite restrictions can derail even the best laid plans, causing delays, cost overruns, and compliance issues. Whether auditing an office building, a factory expansion, or retrofitting an industrial building, understanding and addressing these constraints early is essential. This energy audit lesson will break down common worksite restrictions and provide strategies to navigate them effectively. What are worksite restrictions? Worksite restrictions are rules, or limitations, affecting how, when, and where your audit work can occur. These constraints may be imposed by governments, property owners, or environmental conditions and can disrupt project timelines if not managed proactively. They will greatly impact your final energy audit report to your client. 1. Zoning and permitting rules. Local regulations dictate what can be built, modified, and where. For example, wind turbines may face height restrictions, while solar installations might require special permits. Sample key issues are zoning designations, residential, commercial, etc. Noise ordinances. Permit approval delays. Tip: engage local authorities early to understand requirements and streamline approvals. 2. Environmental and wildlife protections. Environmental rules often require projects to avoid harming wildlife or ecosystems. Sample key issues are seasonal restrictions, for example, nesting periods. Proximity to protected areas. Environmental impact assessments. Tip: hire your own consultants, if needed, to navigate regulations and recommend mitigation strategies. 3. Site accessibility. Physical site constraints, such as narrow roads or fragile terrain, can limit access for new equipment to be installed and construction material delivery. Sample key issues are restricted entry points, uneven ground, proximity to existing infrastructure. Tip: conduct detailed site surveys to address logistics and accessibility challenges early. 4. Labor and restrictions on work hours. Labor agreements or local rules may impose limits on work hours or staffing requirements. Sample key issues are restricted work hours, union labor requirements, and safety protocols. Tip: ensure compliance with labor laws and negotiate flexibility when possible. 5. Weather and seasonal factors. Weather can disrupt new construction timelines, especially for projects dependent on specific conditions like calm winds or dry weather. Sample key issues: historical weather patterns, seasonal temperature shifts, extreme weather protocols. Tip: use weather data to create realistic timelines you suggest to a client with built-in contingencies. 6. Community and stakeholder concerns. Local communities may oppose projects they perceive as disruptive, leading to delays or additional requirements. Tip: host forums to share project benefits and address concerns proactively. How to mitigate worksite restrictions. Conduct thorough assessments. Identify constraints during feasibility studies. Engage experts. Work with engineers, legal advisors, and environmental consultants. Build flexibility. Include contingency time and budget in suggested project plans. Communicate transparently. Keep stakeholders informed throughout the process. Ensure compliance. Suggest assigning a compliance officer if needed to monitor adherence to regulations. Conclusion: worksite restrictions are unavoidable, but manageable. By identifying potential constraints early and developing strategies to address them, you can avoid delays, control costs, and maintain good relationships with clients and stakeholders.